Whether you're a budding artist, a professional painter, or you just need something to give your next project that cutting edge, having a unique surface to showcase your creativity can make all the difference. Knowing that every texture, contour, and shade counts, you need to be sure you're using quality products for every moment of inspiration. This is where the Daveliou 6-pack wood panel set comes in. Create craft and artwork that shines with individuality with our stunning wood panels. These birchwood cradle painting boards offer massive versatility with unrivaled strength and stability, allowing you to create artwork that can't fail to stand out from the crowd. Unlike other art panels, which can be weak, rough, and full of knots, the Daveliou wood canvas set provides an unbeatable solution for a clean and crisp finish every time. The result? Your best art yet. Be it oil, acrylic, watercolor, collage, photos, mixed media, and more, these precision-cut 8x8-inch kiln-dried painting boards will help you find perfection in whatever you create. Try crafting and explore the multitude of creative DIY textured projects and 3D art alternatives. Bring some artwork into your home that adds both visual and textural contrast. The options are limitless. Durable, reliable, and affordable, this painting panel set is perfect for beginners and experts alike. Don't settle for second best. Strive for more. Let your next project truly stand out with our wood panel painting boards, and do it better with Daveliou.